Secret to happiness. Kabir had a beautiful wife and a loving daughter, yet he found himself constantly troubled by life's petty challenges. These frustrations often spilled over into his family life, causing frequent arguments with his family over trivial matters. Feeling overwhelmed, Kabir decided to seek guidance from the wise Gautam Buddha. After a long journey, Kabir finally reached Gautam Buddha. The enlightened one, sensing Kabir's turmoil, took him to a nearby river known for its clean and sweet water. Buddha handed Kabir a handful of salt and instructed him to pour it into the river. Then, he asked Kabir to taste the river water. To Kabir's surprise, the water remained sweet and refreshing. Next, Buddha gave Kabir another handful of salt and asked him to mix it into a small tumbler of water. When Kabir tasted this water, he immediately spat it out, finding it unbearably salty. Gautam Buddha then imparted his wisdom: life is like this river, and our problems are like the salt. When our minds are narrow and confined like this small tumbler, even minor issues can overwhelm us. However, if we approach life with a broader perspective, like the vast river, these problems become insignificant and unable to disturb our peace. By expanding our thinking, maintaining a positive outlook, and cultivating a mind as vast and serene as this river, we can face life's challenges without losing our inner calm. Even significant obstacles will struggle to disrupt our peace of mind when we adopt this expansive worldview. Kabir, enlightened by this profound lesson, returned home with a renewed perspective. He learned to approach life's challenges with a broader mindset, finding that his relationships and overall happiness improved significantly as a result. The teachings about life's impermanence and maintaining a broader perspective resonated deeply within him. Just as Buddha taught about the transient nature of experiences and the importance of mindfulness, Kabir realized that most challenges of life are petty and temporary. The incidents that would have previously triggered anger and frustration now became a testament to his inner strength and newfound philosophical understanding. By broadening our mindset and embracing life's challenges with a sense of equanimity, we can transform our experiences and relationships. As Kabir learned, life's petty challenges are like salt in a river, insignificant when viewed from a broader perspective. This wisdom is beautifully encapsulated in the words, "Just throw away all thoughts of imaginary things, and stand firm in that which you are." By letting go of unnecessary worries and standing firm in our true nature, we can navigate life's obstacles with grace and serenity. This timeless teaching reminds us that true peace and happiness come from within, and by embracing this philosophy, we can live more fulfilling lives. Here are few difficult words from the story along with their meanings. Petty, of little importance. Turmoil, uncertainty. Enlightened, well-informed outlook. Imparted, communicated. Perspective, point of view. Insignificant, unimportant. Serene, calm. Profound, intense. Reprimand, criticize severely. Equanimity, mental calmness. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for more magical stories. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.